This is a double shaft pedal mixer. Can be used for mixing powder feed. The used models include SSHD.5, 1, and 2. The mixing capacity is 250 kg to 3 tons per batch. It also be customized according to customer needs. The power ranges from 5.5 kW to 45 kW. It consists of the body, rotor, transmission part, and control part. The mixer body is in the shape of W, and the double shaft rotor is pedal type. The motor is driven by a reducer and a chain transmission to drive the double shaft rotor. The speed of two rotor shafts is the same, but the direction of rotation is opposite. The material is added from the top and mixed before being discharged from the bottom. The top is equipped with the liquid adding pipeline, which can meet various liquid adding needs of customers. The advantages of double shaft pedal mixer include fast mixing speed, mixing time of 0.5 to 2 minutes, high mixing uniformity with a CV of 3% to 5%. The discharge control adopts pneumatic mode with fast discharge and low noise, reliable sealing of discharge door, no material residue and leakage, small footprint, low energy consumption, and high efficiency, simple structure, few varying parts, smooth operation, and easy cleaning. Our factory specialized in producing feed machinery for 30 years and has 13 years of export experience. We can provide a single machine or complete units according to different needs of users. If you want to learn more information about us, please visit our website or email.